So I've got this really cool accessory for Insta360's Flow or the DJI OM6. It is a fill light for your mobile phone gimbal from a company called Photo Gear. Now you can buy the light itself, which is only $20, really cheap, or you can buy this kit which comes with this portable charging case and then 2 of these lights for $55. So it's a really great value product as well as being really good. I've been really impressed with this actually. It's a very nice material case. This is actually the charging case as well, so you've got the USB-C charging port on the side and the little button there to check the battery percentage. Then we open it up and we've got the 2 lights inside charging away in here, so you can take them out when you need them. So I'm going to be using one for this demonstration. So we just pop it out like so. This is the light. It looks very cool and it's extremely small. I've got nothing here to hand to actually compare it to, but it's very small. Take my word for it. You turn it on like so, and then we've got 10 different brightness levels, as well as being able to change the color, the CT value, from 2000 Kelvin all the way to 6500 Kelvin. So depending on what mood you're going for, what lighting scenario you're in, you can change the different settings. So we can brighten it down a little bit by pressing the plus and the minus button on the back. So in the box you've got ones that fit it to the Insta360 Flow. It's got a little flow on the back, and then you've got this one which connects it to the, it's got Osmo with the DJI OM6, or you've got these magnetic plates which you can attach it to something like the Xeon Smooth gimbal, and then this attaches to there like so. So you got 3M sticky on the side, and what you do is, what I've done, prepared one for you earlier, is I've stuck this onto the magnetic clip of the Flow here, sticks onto there, and then you've got the magnetic on the top, clips onto there, and you've got a magnetic fill light to film your adventures. So if you're in a sort of a darker scenario, you can actually put this light on there and then take it off. Adds no weight at all because these are extremely light, so it's not going to affect the gimbal in any way, and then it just magnetizes on there like that. That's a really great accessory for such a cheap price as well. I've been really impressed with it. And when you're finished with it, you turn it off, we plunk it back in the charging case to keep it charged. It comes with the charging cable in there as well. Zip it back up, and then you can put that in your camera bag or your bag or whatever and get on the move. The one drawback is that these little attachments that go onto the magnetic clip are a little bit hit and miss. You might have to stick it with some stronger adhesive if you plan on having it on there full time. Once it's on there, it's not going to affect the gimbal. You could stick it on there with super glue and just sort of forget about it, so that'd be a good solution. But like I said, it comes with all these different fittings that are magnetic, so no matter what gimbal you have got, you're covered, and it will fit any gimbal. So it's a great accessory. Fully recommend it, really do. And if you're doing any kind of filming with your mobile phone gimbal outside in a sort of a darker scenario, then these lights are going to definitely come in very handy. Really good, and really impressed with this accessory. So you can I'll show you quickly again before we put it away how quickly it is to put on there, and we're done. So we can film away with the light on, and we can just take it off when we don't need it and put it in the case, and we're done. So it's that quick, that easy. Great accessory for your Insta360 Flow or OM6. That's it for this one. See you on the next one. Take it easy.